Friday the 13th edition of the Carolina Weather Video here on this May 13th. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here in the Weather on the One's Forecast Center this morning, and it is a humid, soupy start today. A lot of fog across parts of the Piedmont this morning, and we're going to be ramping up the daily thunderstorm chances here as we really go through beginning today and probably for the next several days in a row. Let me show you what the radar looks like this morning. Again, this is during the 5 a.m. hour, and you have some areas of thunderstorms scattered around parts of the Virginias into eastern North Carolina. The northwest flow part of this pattern is now shifting over into eastern parts of North Carolina, so for the I-85 corridor, we're probably finished with the northwest flow kind of stuff. However, we're now getting the big upper level low that's off to our west get close enough to spread a few dynamics into the region, the result of being an enhanced chance of daily thunderstorms. There's a broader radar perspective and a lot of rain where they just don't need it up and down the Mississippi River Valley this morning. And that zone of enhanced thunderstorm chances working its way eastward here as we head into the weekend. There's your temperatures across the lower 48, and it is a very soupy air mass over much of the eastern United States. And there's our dew point temperatures. Notice not a lot of difference there. Places even all the way up into Ohio and Indiana with at least a 60-degree dew point reading this morning. Pretty muggy stuff. There's the day one convective outlook. Slight risk of severe weather from much of Mississippi, northern Alabama, and Tennessee, Kentucky, and parts of the low and mid Mississippi River Valley there. And anywhere in the green shaded areas where thunderstorms are possible, and you know the deal, you could get one or two of those storms anywhere pulsing up into severe limits, but the highest risk is off to the west of the Carolinas today, and then there's the slight risk for day two. That'd be Saturday and Saturday night, sliding off to the east. Same deal, can't rule out a few severe storms anywhere where the thunderstorms are possible, but the highest probabilities will be from southern North Carolina down through South Carolina, Georgia, and the Florida Panhandle. This is the upper air pattern. There's your big upper level low back moving into Missouri this afternoon. And while the general ideas are agreed upon amongst the modeling as we head into early next week, there are some differences that actually make a pretty big difference in our weather. This is the European model. I'll kind of go with that. And this is Saturday early afternoon. Notice that piece of energy coming around the back side of the upper level low. It looks like this on the European by Monday morning. Again, there's that separate piece of energy pivoting around the original upper level low, and that'll carve out sort of a sizable upper level low in the southeast by early to mid next week. Now, exactly where that upper level low is placed will play a big role in exactly how the day-to-day weather unfolds for us. Yesterday, the European model was farther north with the placement of this low, and the GFS was right about there. Now the models have completely reversed camps, and the Canadian is further south like the Euro. So all that to say, there's still some uncertainty, but I'll take you through the GFS here today. Scattered thunderstorms developing as we go through this afternoon and this evening especially. And Saturday, it's not going to be a washout, but for all the outdoor plans you have, especially Saturday afternoon across the region, just know you're going to have to dodge some areas of showers and thunderstorms out there. Now, Sunday, somewhat debatable. Some of the modeling wants to pull in some, at least briefly, drier air, so it might be a day Sunday where we can cut back on the number of showers and storms, but not ready to remove them and really even significantly decrease the chances as of yet. I'm going to stick with the scattered thunderstorm forecast Sunday. Here's Monday here. More scattered thunderstorms. Same deal Tuesday into Wednesday. It all depends on exactly where that upper level low is situated. That'll determine how great the coverage of showers and storms is as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Now, it does look like we'll try to dry things out by the second half of next work week, maybe Thursday and Friday, but between now and then, kind of some daily shower and thunderstorm chances. All right, that is it for today. Have a great weekend, and God bless.